You off?
Are all these about to go to berserk?
Yeah.
Get ready.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for central DeKalb and west central Kane counties until 7:15 p.m. At 6:37 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Sycamore to 6 miles south of Malta and moving east.
Usually take about 30 seconds.
Hazard
15 at the least.
gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated and spotter confirmed. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Maple Park around 6:55 p.m. Elburn around 7:05 p.m. This storm has a history of producing quarter-sized hail and
There it goes.
It's going to hail for us.
Not sure.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern DuPage County, East Illinois, southeastern Kane County, northeast Illinois, northeastern King County, northwest Middle County, northeast Illinois, until 8 o'clock p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a large severe thunderstorm was located from near Elburn to Sugar Grove and moving east-southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sugar Grove around 7 o'clock p.m. Geneva and St. Charles around 7:05 p.m. West Chicago and North Aurora around 7:10 p.m. Oswego and Aurora around 7:15 p.m. Winfield and Warrenville around 7:20 p.m. Wheaton and Naperville around 7:25 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.